Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Classification. The opioids can
The opioid receptors can also be classified as
drugs and receptors. Drugs and receptors are divided into four types. Pure agonists. Pure agonists are agonists present at all receptors like mu receptors. Pure antagonists. Pure antagonists are present in at are antagonists at all receptors. Whereas agonists at low doses or at certain doses, they are agonists at kappa receptors, and at higher doses, they are antagonists at mu receptors. Then we have partial agonists. Partial agonists at low doses, they are partial agonists at mu receptors, and at higher doses, they are antagonists at kappa receptor.
so drug and receptors. Some summary: drug and receptors. Pure agonists are agonists at all the receptors, that is mu receptors. Pure antagonists are antagonists at all receptors along with mu receptors. Agonists are um, these agonists antagonists are agonists at low concentration to kappa receptors, and they are antagonists at high concentration on mu receptors. Whereas partial agonists are at low doses, they are partial agonists at mu receptors, and at higher doses, they are antagonists at kappa receptors.
thank you and thank you for watching.